With an appropriate approach, running a company blog can help you generate new sales leads. It's an ideal recipe for building relationships with customers. A blog is a quality advertising tool that supports SEO, improves Google positions, and makes it easier for potential buyers to access your store. Well, of course it's worth to run a blog. Running a company blog will help you position yourself as an expert, and most importantly, your customers will see that you are involved and passionate about things you do. A blog means chronically ordered posts published on the website. It's frequently used to convey advertising messages and improve sales. With the help of a blog, you can comprehensively describe your store and product range, but also provide insight into topics related to your industry, which will show that you are an expert in the field. Thanks to such activities, you can indicate what values are the most important to your business and attract new buyers by showing that apart from selling products, you also have profound knowledge of the industry. First and foremost, take the scope of your business activity into account and don't go beyond your company profile. Guidelines, slideshows, infographics, or reviews are only some of the forms you may benefit from when running your blog. Try to create diversified content so that each entry includes a few unique pieces of information. When running a company blog, it's crucial to focus on basic principles that need to be taken into account when creating entries. Publish new posts regularly and be diligent. Follow the subject matter of your website and update it if anything changes. Be yourself and discuss subjects you're familiar with. Use keywords that will improve your SEO and Google positions. Be creative and remember to complement entries with graphics. Don't forget to pay attention to details. One entry may be enough to attract users' attention. To see some inspiration, check out our company blog to see how we create the content related to our business. If you want to know more, visit Megamo.co.uk and let us know if you have any questions.